Whiff Run Gap Entrance, Shenandoah National Park. Hey everybody, it's Mark the Lost Traveler, and we're ready to travel. Well, I didn't pay the $30 for the park entrance fee. I paid the $55 for the annual park fee because I'll definitely be back here a few more times during the year. So why pay $30 when you can pay $55 and unlimited times in the park? So we're gonna go to Rose River Trail, which is about 3 miles from here, and then that's a 4-mile loop. Making our way down the loop, I parked over at Fisher's Gap. Then there's a sign to go across the street to Rose River. So right now we're just heading down the fire road. Cave Cemetery. W.H. Click, 1880 to 1960. Lily O, 1887 to 1974. Lula B, April 10th, 1905, January 31st, 1984. And then Elza, September 4th, 1907 to March 23rd, 1991. And this is a baby foster, Kelly E. infant, 1995, and died in 1995. Warning, climbing on, around, or over waterfalls is dangerous. Stay on designated trail. Well, when you get down to the bottom, you got a bunch of choices here that you can take. Straight across the river is the Dark Hollow Trail. That is really steep. That's about 1,200 feet that you're going to be heading up. Or I think we're going to take the Rose River Loop here. And the Rose River Loop Trail down to Fisher's Gap where we parked is 2.9 miles. So if I take this all the way, it'll take me back up to the car, or I can stay on the fire road, and that's 5.5 miles. So I think I'll head down this way and then maybe turn around and head up to the Dark Horse, or Dark Hollows. Sorry about that. I bet you that'll feel good in the summertime, but not right now. How's it going?
Hey, man, how you doing?
Good. How are you guys doing?
All right.
Good. Hey, how you guys doing? You having fun? Awesome. How you doing, buddy?
Good.
Good.
Got it on camera, though.
Got it on camera. This guy's going across the bridge here. Well, when you come down to the trail, and if you got good balance and are brave enough, walk across this fallen tree here, which I'm sure many people have done, and I'm sure people have failed. I'm not really sure if you get in that little pool right there, squeeze in between those rocks and slide on down there. Might be possible. This is a good place to take a break and have a power bar. You're welcome.
Thank you.
Welcome. Oh, they got their dog with them. How you doing?
I'm well. How are you?
Good. Hey, buddy. Hey, bud.
Come on.
All right. Cross the bridge. The three people up there in front of me, they are from Holland. Tell you, it looks like a lot of trees have fallen down because they have cut a path right through here. You can tell they've been cut with a chainsaw. A lot of waterfalls on this hike. I'm sure the video won't show very well, but going up a pretty steep climb here. Of course, the way I went, it was pretty much downhill. Well, you can see we were down there by the river, and we've done some serious climbing here. Woo! Oh, no, go ahead. This is a good time to take a break. I'll just make my way down here slowly. Oh, that's all right. Listen, I'm about as slow as you can get.
It's all mine.
Oh no. Another nice waterfall along the trail after that steep climb we just had. Nice walk.
Yes, isn't it? It's lovely.
Yeah, it's the river all the way. It's my first time on this trail, so
Yeah, likewise.
yeah. Just met a chap there. He was from London, and he says there's nothing like you, the trail, nature, and listening to water. Definitely some rocky sections along the trail, which of course, as you expected, you're in the mountains. It's not going to be a flat, pristine trail. Uh-oh, low bridge. I don't think I can climb over that. Gonna have to pick a different route. Well, I couldn't go under it because I don't bend down very well unless I fell down and crawled under it. So I just took the long route. I mean, listen out here. You don't hear anything except the river down below. Occasional bird, some wind. That's about it. Just taking a little water and snack break. I've done 3.7 miles, so just a few more tents to go. I think the last mile's been all uphill, and I can start to hear the cars on the road, so we're getting closer. It's like straight uphill now, but we're almost out of here, even though I'm really slow, but I'm making it, and that's all that counts, at least for me. The video seems different in some spots is because I've been filming with my GoPro Hero 3 Plus Black and my iPad Pro 9.7. So that might be the difference in some of the video that where we started. All right, I can see the fire road that we started on earlier. Go this way, which would be counterclockwise, and start here where it says Horse Trail Loop, even though it's also the Rose River Loop. But this is the way we came in earlier today, and we started that way down the fire trail. Look both ways before crossing, and there's the truck, and we parked right at the Fisher's Gap overlook in this parking lot right here. I think next time I'll come here I'll do the Dark Hollows Falls loop as noted on the sign there. Well, that completes the Rose River Trail, and according to my stats here on the All Trails, I did 3.9 miles. Elevation was 1,001 foot. It took me 3 hours and 21 minutes, and I am really slow. I have really bad ankles. I mean, I have boots on and ankle braces, so you guys can gauge by that being slow. So I'm sure you guys can do the almost 4 miles in less time than I did. I mean, I even had a snail and a turtle waiting on me, but thank God I had these walking sticks. These are from Black Diamond Ergo Cork walking sticks. I highly recommend these. I saw a lot of people on the trail with these. These saved me a few times from balancing, so you know, for a guy who doesn't walk very well, these helped a lot. So that's gonna do it from Shenandoah Valley, and on that note, traveler out.